When you're filled with tumultuous inner emotions, your external life is likely to reflect that. However, pulling this card suggests no matter what you've been going through, being at peace with your feelings is the key to success. Even if your feelings are intense, breathe through them so they don't cause outward turbulence. That is your magic. Think of yourself as a sorceress or sorcerer and stay centered now. For best results, bring compassion, empathy, and unconditional love to your current situation. You have all that you need to sort this situation out. In fact, you may even have the upper hand. However, you need to use that advantage wisely. You may need to take the emotional lead, be a good example for others. Additional meanings for this card: keep your feet on the ground. Ask what would nourish me in this situation. Emotional honesty is called for. Allow someone else to express their emotions. Slow and steady wins the race. About this symbol, in astrology, the moon is all about feelings and is said to be exalted or in great shape in the signs of Taurus. Definitely, definitely. So there we have it. It started over. Fuck you.